Up Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Harmony holders, that is good news for all of you. That is also congratulation news for all of you because Harmony and Hedera Hashgraph is only and only a unique cryptocurrencies in the market which all changes is positive in a right now situation, guys. Except of Harmony and Hedera Hashgraph, all cryptocurrencies is negative, but that is only a harmony which all changes is positive and all completely in the profit, guys. Last one day, last 1 week, last 1 hour changes, these all changes is positive. So if these changes is positive, that's mean that it is a profitable for investment, guys. Anyways, guys, other side, if we talk about the price of harmony in the market, so 0.148678 USD dollar, that is the highest price of harmony in the market, guys. Now let me show you the price chart of harmony. You can see here, guys. Oh my god, just look, let me zoom it the latest situation price chart. Ready, a quick jump so in the harmony. Now they are going to the moon, guys. Just look here, but as I told you guys that don't look a small falls. You can see here jump, falls down, again jump, falls down. So now it just falls. A lot of people, I know a lot of people when saw small falls, so they decide to sell. So with these people decide to sell due to these falls, so they are in the loss, because after this falls again the price pump, again price falls down, again price pump. So never decide to sell on the base of small falls, on the base of temporary falls. Always look latest high update, like a 1 month, like a 1 year, like a 6 month. Anyways, the latest update is about positive 56.22% and 0.154718 USD dollar. That is the highest price of a harmony one coin in the market, guys. Hope you like, guys, this update video. In my prediction about harmony coin is 100% positive. I believe that you already know everything is on the front of your eyes, that the chain is as positive all, so that's mean that it is a profitable, guys. Invest now in a harmony and make a huge profit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.